Hello everybody, today's lesson is how to find the area of triangles, pages 318 and 319. And before we explain how to find the area of the triangle, I want to make with you this exercise to find the area of this rectangle. In front of you, you have a rectangle, and we said before that the area of the rectangle is what? Length multiplied by width. The length you have it for, the width is 3, so it will be 3 multiply 4 will give you 12 meters squared. Okay, if we cut this rectangle into two parts with a diagonal line like this, so it will give me two parts. The shape of each part is what? Can you notice? Yes, the shape of each part is a triangle. So it means that my rectangle can give me two triangles. Each one of them is the same. It means they are exactly the same. They are identical. Yes? Okay. So the area or the space that cover one of the triangle will be half of the area that covers my rectangle. This means that if the area of the triangle was 12, so the area of this part just will be, yes, 6. And this part will be 6 because I cut it into two parts. I cut the 12 into two equal parts. Each part of them will be 6. So can we now guess what will be our formula to get the triangle? Yes, we set for the parallelogram, which is like the rectangle, its base multiply height. So the triangle will be what? Half of it. So half of it, it means half multiplied by the base multiply the height. Okay, so did you understand how we got this formula, how we reach it? Because we said that the triangle is half of my rectangle. The rectangle is length multiply width, or I can call them base multiply height. The triangle is half of it, so half multiply the base multiplied by the height. Here is the formula, just we will substitute and get the area. Okay, where is the base, where is the height? Consider that on this one, here it is, I have a triangle, and this triangle I want to decide where is the base of it, where is the height of it. Your triangle here looks like what? Remind you with what? Yes, remind with a mountain. Okay, where is the base of the mountain? Here it is. This is the base. Where is the height of my mountain? The height, it's from the top in front of the base, the top point going straight down perpendicular on the base. This will be the height. So this side can be the height? No. This is the height? No. The height is from the top point going down perpendicular on the base. So we said that the area of the triangle will be half multiply base multiply the height, and we explained now where is the base, where is the height. Okay, the shape of the height can change according to the shape of my triangle. So for example, the first shape of the triangle, here is the base. Where is the height? We set from the top point going down perpendicular, so it comes inside my triangle. Here is the height, comes what? Inside my triangle. But here, this is the base. Where is the height? We said here from the top point going down, so exactly on this side. Yes, because this is the right triangle already, it's perpendicular on the base. So here is the height, here is the base. What about the first type of the triangle? Here I have the base, but the height from the top, if I go down straight, I will find that the height is outside my triangle. Okay, if it inside or on the side directly or outside the triangle, will it change for me anything? No. Just I want you to notice this, to know that it's okay. My height can be can be exactly on this side. Some cases it can be outside, but it will not change anything while you are calculating your area. So as we said here, that the formula of the triangle, the area of it is half multiply base multiply height. The base always to the bottom, okay, which is on the ground, and the height from the top going straight down to form a right angle, 90 degrees angle. Here this one form 90 degree angle with what? If I extend this one, you will find that it's 90 degree with it. Okay, but my base is just the part that I have in my triangle. Be careful. Okay. I want to ask you a question. Can I consider this one? Let's get the pen. Yes. Can I consider this one the base? It's okay, no problem. But in this case, where is my height? Where is the point which is in front of the base? Here it is. This one. So I will match it with the base to be perpendicular to it. So here will be the height. Okay. So any side you can consider it the base because you can turn this triangle. Yes. But on this case, the height will change. Always the height come from the point which is in front of the base. So if you used any one, it will give you the same area. It's okay. But most probably on the questions, they will give you specific dimensions. It means you will not choose. They will give you one like a base. They will give you the height. Let's see here on this question, if I want to find the area of this triangle, my formula is what? Remember it? Half multiplied by the base multiplied by the height. So it's half multiplied by the base is 5, the height is 8. Girls, here this 8 for the dotted line. Okay, so we will multiply them together. 5 times 8 is 40. Multiply by half, so put here 1 down. So 1 times 40 will give 40 over 2 equals 20. So the answer is 20 meter. Meter what? Squared, because it's area. Here it is. Okay, let's do the practice from your book. Find the area of each triangle. Question number 4, I will start with it. Here, where is the base? Where is the height? Here is the base. They consider that this one is the base, 28 centimeter, and the height is the dotted line that they draw for you, which is perpendicular on the base, and it's a 12. Okay. My area equals half multiply the base, which is 28, multiply the height, which is 12. Okay, if I want to multiply 28 by 12, then divide by 2 I can. Or if you want to put 1 down and simplify with 2, you can also any numerator with any denominator. So I can here divide by 2, 1. Divide by 2 will give me 6. Now multiply the numerators. 1 times 28 is 28. Multiply by 6. 6 times 8 is 48. 2 times 6 is 12. 12 plus 4 will give me 16. So 168 over 1, which is 168 centimeter squared. Okay, let's do another question. Find the area of the triangle with the given dimensions. Here it's very easy. You have the same but without the picture. The base 7 feet, the height is 11. So ready for you, just write for yourself the formula. Half multiply by base multiply by height. So half multiplied by 7 multiplied by 11. Can I simplify here? The 2 with 7 or with 11? No, we cannot. So do the multiplication. Multiply up, you will have 77. multiply down, you will have 2. So 77 divided by 2 will give you, if you did the division, it will give you 38 and half, because the half of 70 is 35, the half of 3 is 3 and a half, so 38 and a half, and don't forget it's feet squared. If you cannot make this one mentally, it's okay, divide, then you will get the answer. Let's see example for the problem solving. Question number 18. Lincoln wants to find the area of a right triangle using a formula. Since both sides are perpendicular to each other, he cannot determine which side is the base and which side is the height. Randy tells him it doesn't matter. Is Randy correct? Explain. Okay, let's read it again with concentrating to understand what is the information that we have, then what is the question that I want to answer. I want to find the area of a right triangle. Here it is, a right triangle. Right triangle means it has an angle which is 90 degrees. Using the formula which is what? Area equal half multiply base multiply height. Since both sides are perpendicular to each other, it means that this side perpendicular to this. If you turn it also by another way, I can tell that this one perpendicular to this. They are perpendicular to each other. He cannot determine which side is the base, which side is the height, which one will be the base, which one is the height. Then his friend gave him an idea. Randy, he said what? It doesn't matter. It means if you said that this is the base, it's okay. If you said that this is the base, it's okay. The other one will be the height. It doesn't matter which one is the base, which one is the height. Randy is correct or no? Yes, sure, he's correct. If this one is the base, okay, so this is the height. They are perpendicular to each other. Or if I consider that this one is the base, so this one will be the height. It is the same. Finally, you will multiply the two sides together, then multiply by half. What are the names? Will not change for you anything. Yes, you will get the same answer in both cases. So Randy is correct. Yes, is correct, because you will multiply the two sides together, whatever which one is the base, which one is the height. We are done, girls. You can complete the rest of the questions in your book. Just I want to tell you that the harder you work for something, the greater you will feel when you finally achieve it. Thank you so much for listening.